So problem number 6 of semifinals number 1 of the 2006 MIT integration B was the indefinite integral of 1 over square root of x times open bracket the fourth root of x plus 1 close bracket to the power 10. Looks a little bit intimidating, but it's actually a very simple problem. I mean, even if you try to plug this number into Wolfram alpha, it's just going to take a long time. I tried to do it and the answer wasn't really forthcoming. So let's see how we may be able to solve it very quickly. So the first thing for us is to substitute for the most complex expression here, and that is the fourth root of x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say let u be equal to the fourth root of x, and then I would take the fourth power on both sides. So we have u to the power 4 being equal to x. And so when I take the derivative on both left and right hand sides, I'm going to have 4u to the power 3 du dx being equal to 1, meaning that we could substitute for dx with 4u to the power 3 du. Now our expression, the integrand is going to change. We're going to move from the x domain to the u domain, and so in place of square root of x, we're going to have u squared. In place of the fourth root of x, we're going to have u. And then in place of our dx here, we're going to pull this down here. That's what we've done. And then that means that the u to the power 2 in the denominator and u to the power 3 interact, and you're left with, and actually this constant gets moved out here, so we have 4 u over u to the power u plus 1 to the power 10. Now I still have this plus 1 is a little bit yucky in the denominator, so I'll go ahead and do a substitution. I'll say let y be equal to u plus 1, and that means that dy du is equals to 1, and therefore you could substitute for du with just dy. And that quickly tells us that now from this expression our u becomes y minus 1, and so we've just plugged y minus 1 in place of u plus 1. We just put y, and the power 10 fits in naturally. And then we just go ahead and divide, separate the two parts in the numerator into two separate parts. So y divided by y to the power 10, and 1 divided by y to the power 10. And so what we're going to do now, we're just going to integrate these two parts independently, and that becomes negative 4 over 8 times y to the power 8 plus 4 over y times y to the power 9. And then you can obviously divide that goes 1, goes twice there, and we have negative a half y to the power 8 plus 4 over 9 y to the power 9 plus the integration constant. But since we say that u equals y equals to u plus 1, and it means our integral in the u domain now becomes negative 1 over 2. In place of y, we have u plus 1 to the power 8 plus 4 over 9 u plus 1 to the power 9. And then this can be simplified further using this the product of 9 and 2, 18, and then this is the higher degree in terms of polynomials, so this becomes our LCM, and so reorganizing we get negative 9u plus, so the negative applies to both 1 and 9u, so we have negative, and then we have the fraction of 9u plus 1 over 18 plus 1 to the power 9. But that we don't stop there. Now, since we had also indicated that u be equal to the fourth root of x, we can now get our final problem being that the integral of 1 over square root of x times open bracket 4th root of x plus 1 close bracket the power 10 is equal to negative, and then we have a fraction of 9 times the 4th root of x plus 1 over 18 open bracket 4th root of x plus 1 close bracket to the power 9. And this here, ladies and gentlemen, was the solution that we were looking for. So until next time, have a fantastic day ahead. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we do really encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We'd really love to hear from you. Your support really will go a long way in popularizing our channel, but also it will just help us. It's that extra motivation to keep us going. So yeah, please subscribe, comment, and also share. Thank you.